and today I'm going to be teaching another Vedic Maths trick, and it is division by 9. This is actually a very simple trick because, well, all Vedic Maths tricks are quite simple. It doesn't involve any formulas, so it should be quite easy to remember. So I'm just going to take a completely random number, how about 1857? That's completely random. And then I'm going to divide it by 9. So basically, to start off, what we have to do is we take the first number and we write it down, 1. And we kind of have that as a separate number, and then we add a slash. Then what we have to do is we have to take, that's the first number, and what we have to do is we have to take the first number plus the second number. So 1 plus 8 is 9, so that's a separate number, and then a slash. And then for the third number, we have to do 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the first number plus the second number plus the third number. So there's 9 plus, so 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. And then slash. And then this one is, I think you should have guessed it by now. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Which will be 14. So that's the sum of all these. Plus 7, which is 21. So we have this right here. And what we're going to do with it is we're going to keep these three exactly the same, but we're going to divide this one by 9. And with the remainder, so not in decimals. So that will give us 2 remainder 3. So 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21. So it'll give us 2 remainder 3. And then what we have to do with both of those numbers is that, so the remainder, we keep that aside. Sorry for the break. So that remainder, so that will be the remainder of the entire answer. And then with this 2, we have to add it on to the number to its extreme, the immediate left. So now we'll end up with 1, 9, 16, because we added that 2. And we have to add it, not multiply, not subtract, not divide. We have to add it. And then that's it. And we'll have a remainder of 3. So next, I just realized these are all square numbers, like 1 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, but that's not part of the thing. And then from here, what we have to do is we have to see if any of those boxes have 2 digits in them. So this one does. So what we have to do is keep the first digit, and we have to add it, sorry about that once again. So the first digit, we have to add it to the digit on its immediate left. So that'll be to the 9. And the second digit, we just keep there. So now we have 1 slash 10, because we added that one there, slash 6. Once again, this has a double digit, so we need to add this one over to this one. So that'll be 2 slash 0 slash 6. And keep in mind, we do have this remainder over here. So, well, that's basically the answer. So the answer is 206, remainder 3. So, and you can check if you want to. So, I'm just going to check, not like an extreme check. So I'm just going to do 9 times 6, which is 54. Plus 3 is 57, and that 7 is there, so that's good. And yeah, it's correct. Actually, yeah, it is correct, 1857. So yeah, that is how you do division by 9. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right there, as well as the subscribe button, which is also there. And if you want to be notified of when I upload my videos, then after you subscribe, there is a bell symbol, but it only appears after you've subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. And goodbye, see you in my next video.